righteous man. I've surely made enough mistakes to keep me from the promised land. No prayer or penitence will ever atone my past, and I accept each breath I draw brings me one closer to my last. So don't worry yourself to dig a grave too deep. Just low enough to hide what's left of me from the buzzard's beak. Close my eyes, sing no glories. The devil's now won. He staked his claim for me. Send me to his scales beneath this painted earth. Measure and judge what a bad man's worth. Spare no pity for me now. I don't deserve your tears. Unloved from the day I was born, a villain all my years. Everything I ever had I took from honest men, and I can't say if given half a chance I wouldn't do it all again. So when you peel back the pages of that old book to read my last rites, let it be understood it won't do much good. Close my eyes, sing no glories. The devil's now won. He staked his claim for me. Send me to his scales beneath this painted earth. Measure and judge what a bad man's worth. Measure and judge a bad man.